Now let's give this question a try. You are given an equation for a reaction between silver nitrate and sodium chloride. The given here is the concentration of silver nitrate and the volume of silver nitrate. And what is required in the question is calculating the mass of silver chloride. The first thing I do when I see an equation is give the ratio of moles, which we talked about before. It is the reflection of the balancing, okay? So the balancing besides silver nitrate is 1, sodium chloride 1, silver chloride 1, sodium nitrate 1. It's 1 to 1 to 1 to 1. I need the mass of silver chloride, but if I go to rule number 1, which makes sense because it has the mass, okay, MR, okay, I can get it from the periodic table, the mass I need, and I do not have the number of moles, so I cannot use this rule right away. What I can do is use whatever given that I have to calculate number of moles using any of the equations above, okay? So I have concentration and volume, so I directly go to rule number 2. Moles equals concentration times volume divided by 1000. Here we have 0.1 times 25 divided by 1000. This gives me 0.0025. Now I can use this number of moles. This is the number of moles of silver nitrate. And since the ratio of moles is 1 to 1, this could also be the number of moles of silver chloride. So I made a mistake here. I should have wrote that this is the number of moles of silver nitrate. Okay, you have to be precise because too many numbers and then you get lost. Now, the number of moles of silver chloride is equal to the number of moles of silver nitrate because the ratio is 1 to 1, which is 0.0025. Okay. The number of moles equals mass over MR. The MR of silver chloride is 143.5. You calculate this from the periodic table. And the number of moles, we already calculated it from before. So now the mass equals 143.5 times 0.0025. That would be 0.36 moles.